Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also love unboxings and you guys do too. I just received my PR Boxycharm by Ipsy for the month of October. While I'm getting the box open, I'll pop these right here and we're gonna dive in. We always get a little informative card. It gives us our theme for the month as well. The theme for October 2025 is Work Your Magic. Whether you're conjuring bold looks or summoning serious glow, we've got everything you need to play beauty your way and work a little magic while you're at it, because around here, playing dress up never ends. I love that. It generally gives us pertinent deets. And then we do have a QR code that we can scan here to get pertinent deets about our products and stuff like that. This is kindly gifted from Ipsy, so thank you in advance to Ipsy. I have a link to join Ipsy down below if you've ever been curious about it, and I earn a small commission if you do sign up, and thank you if you do so. We're gonna dive right in. Oh, that sounds amazing. This is from Pure Lease. This is the Pumpkin Chai Latte Cleansing Balm with pumpkin chai and soy milk. Removes dirt, impurities, and makeup for all skin types. I am a big fan of a makeup cleansing balm, so I think I'm gonna love this. And I am that girl, yo. I love pumpkin anything. I love warm spices. I love chai. I'm excited as heck about this one, you guys. I am not gonna open this. I do have a brand new one from Elemis, and I don't wanna open this to the air, but I'm already excited, you guys. Next up, I like that we're kind of matchy-matchy a little bit. This is... Are you kidding me, y'all? This is the Dew of the Gods, the Glowasis Vitamin Blend Body Lotion in Pumpkin Sugar Cookie. Deeply hydrates and nourishes. Everything in here, too, is a full size, and they are vegan and cruelty-free. Y'all, I'm excited! I like, and I speak to this a lot, I like when a box is kind of pertinent to the time of year that it comes in. I feel like that's why I kind of quit FabFitFun. I get it for a little while and then I stop. Because if you tell me I'm getting a fall box, if I'm getting an October box, I want October products. You know what I'm saying? Next up, ooh, nice. We have a Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush in the shade Believe. I think it's going to be so beautiful. I will show you what it looks like. Obviously, I did not know this was coming today, and I've already filmed my eyes today. Are actually a blend, a mix of both of my Danessa Myricks palettes by request. And that video will be coming, I think, after this. But if it is up, I'll link it for you guys. Oh, that is pretty. Next up is Live. I want to say, I think they do only brows. I could be wrong. Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. I absolutely was wrong, you guys. Okay. This is the Live Beauty, the Astral eyeshadow palette. I'm all for a little small, tiny palette. I like to travel with them and stuff like that. Hopefully it's a good one. Kind of basic, cheaper, if you will, kind of standard packaging and component. Okay. I do like it, and I know this shade right here is going to be one of those like beautiful iridescent shades that I love. I just feel like I have these over and over again, and again, I don't like to be wasteful, so I am going to go ahead and pass that along. I don't think I'm going to get use out of it, although it's beautiful, and if you've tested this and you've tested like Liv's eyeshadow formula, I'd love to know. Next up is, ooh, pretty. This is the Just Jimena the JX Blend Pro 5-piece brush set. They look absolutely stunning. These I 100% I'm going to be keeping, so I will take these out and show them to y'all. Oh, you guys, these are nice. And I feel like they're like a staple in the Ipsy. They're like a beautiful kind of bronzy shade with a slight ombre effect. They feel very soft, but also a little bit more dense, the way that I personally like. I like the handle length, and they have a little bit of weight to them. I like a little bit of a heavier brush. That's personal preference. I love these. These are great. Y'all, I'm giving this a 5 out of freaking 5. We got our brushes. We got the eyeshadow palette, which I love that. I feel like And I say this often, I wish that Boxycharm Ipsy would revert back to like old school Boxycharm and stuff where we always got a palette. I think that was like a big selling feature and something for us as consumers. I still get my paid for box as well. Something for us as consumers that we would kind of look forward to. And I like the notion of, if you're going to give me a palette, maybe give me a couple brushes as well. So I love that. We got our Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush. We got the Purlisse Pumpkin Chai Latte Cleansing Balm. When I do test these products, I will come back and kind of let you guys know what I thought. And then we got our Dew of the Gods Glowasis Vitamin Blend Body Lotion in Pumpkin Sugar Cookie. I like that this is definitely gearing, you know, fall season, October. I like the color of this. I feel like it lends itself to also being a little bit more kind of fall forward. And I love this as well. I think this is also really pretty. So I'm super excited. Definitely 5 out of 5. I'd love to know what you guys thought. Let's have that conversation down below. Do you get the Ipsy Glam Bag? Do you get Boxycharm? What are some of your favorite subscription boxes? I'd like to know. I do have a 7K giveaway coming up very, very soon. So if you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. You can also turn on your post notifications so you never ever miss any of the uploads, especially when I do the 7K giveaway announcement. You can also tap the join button down below to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties!